Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video we are going to be making fried pork chops. So guys, if you haven't done so already, please kindly subscribe to our channel and let's begin. So we want to gather up our seasoning, and for this recipe guys, we're going to need some black pepper, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some sea salt, and some Szechuan, and some flour. In a bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of salt, and the Szechuan, and mix it together in a bowl. You're going to use your seasoning mix to season up your pork. From there, guys, you're going to put some flour in a bowl. And what you want to do is you want to coat each side of the pork chop with the flour, just like you see me doing here. I'm going to make sure that the flour is evenly applied to each pork chop, so when you fry it, it will fry up nice and brown. So you want to put your oil in a pan and heat it up on a medium to high temperature. Do not make the temperature too high because you don't want your oil to smoke. And then you're going to fry your pork chops on both sides. And I would tell you guys to invest in one of those little thermometers so that you can make sure that the center is done. And once it's done, guys, here is our pork chops. Don't they look really good? And I also made some of that Kraft mac and cheese hack. I will leave the video down in the description and also attach it to this video. But I would definitely tell you guys, I would recommend this for your family. They will love this. It is easy to do and it is a quick dinner idea. Guys, thank you again for joining us for another video. Kindly give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell notification. And remember, we upload a new video weekly. See you then. Bye.